Hello everyone, I'm coming with a new project about machine learning. In the last tutorial I explained linear regression with single variable, but this in tutorial I'm going to explain about multiple variables with the linear regression. So please see my previous video and then start the new tutorial. In this tutorial I consider example about tube hydroforming. In tube hydroforming we have two input and one output. My input is our pressure and axial feeding, and output is minimum thickness. We are going to predict the minimum thickness based on the pressure and axial feeding. Before starting the new tutorial, please subscribe my channel and follow us to find lots of information about machine learning, FEM and other things. First of all, I will open my tube hydroforming Excel file. As you can see, I consider three kind of pressure: 110, 120 and 130 megapascal, and also consider three kind of axial feeding: 29, 32, 35 for the various pressure. And then we are going to predict minimum thickness based on our information. Let's start to write our own Python code about this tutorial. So please open your Jupyter notebook and start writing our own Python code. So first of all, it's necessary to import our essential library for this tutorial. So I will write import pandas as PD and import numpy as MP, and another one so important for us, we need to import linear model from sklearn. Import linear model. In my previous video I explained about all of the option we also use in this tutorial. You can see the previous video and understand all of the thing. There is no significant change between a single variable and multivariate regression, just about input. For the single variable we have just one variable, and for the multivariable we can have 2, 3 or more inputs. So after import your necessary library, such a library, we so we read our Excel file with this command: read CSV my CSV is tube hydroforming dot CSV BF. Okay, I need to modify scalearn. Stop. Okay, after writing this comment, you can see your Excel file in this page. Okay, pd.read on the line side, tube hide forming that. Okay, let's start. Okay, you can see pressure, feed, and thickness. In my previous video, I have explained about how you can separate this information, input and output, but in this tutorial it's not necessary to focus the last explanation. Just continue the new project. So after import your data, it's necessary to define your linear regression. So I will write this command reg linear model dot linear regression. Okay, and reg dot fit df. By this command also I will define my input and output by double bracket. So df double bracket and name pressure comma feed. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, df dot thickness. Okay, and start. Okay, now we define our linear regression. Okay, after performing this command, we can see our model about this explanation, I mean equation that related to our prediction. So by this command reg dot coef, we will see the coefficient. This is coefficient related to pressure, and this one related to axial feeding. And also we can see intercept reg dot intercept. Okay, enter. You can see intercept. I explained about coefficient and intercept in my last my previous video. Please first see my previous video and then start this video. Okay, now we predict data reg dot predict, for example 120 with 32 axial feeding. Okay, as you can see, 120 32 thickness is 0.686, but in this our prediction is 0.671. It's they are near each other, so our model show the accurate prediction. We will try another one. For example, rec dot predict. For example, 120 and 30, for example. Okay, as you can see, when we decrease the axial feeding, we expect our thickness minimum our thickness decrease. So you can see when I use lower axial feeding, my thickness also is lower than the previous one with the 32 axial feeding. So we want to show I want to show how to use coefficient and intercept. For example, this is pressure, Ctrl C. This is related to our equation. Okay, this one, and for example 120 plus this coefficient, Ctrl C, and 32 plus intercept, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, start. You can see this is by regression. This number predict by linear regression, and this one also predict by regression, but we calculate manually based on the equation of this tutorial. Okay, I will explain about the other machine learning method with various example. Please subscribe my channel and follow us to benefit lots of tutorial we will upload in this channel. Thank you. See you guys.